Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to manage DocHub settings. Whether you want to update your profile information, adjust account preferences, manage connected services, or review security options, the settings section is where you'll control how DocHub works for you. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon or account menu, which is usually located near the top corner of the screen. Next, click your profile icon and select Settings or Account Settings from the menu. This will open the area where you can manage your account preferences and configurations. Take a few moments to review all available settings and customize them according to your workflow and preferences. Proper configuration can help improve both security and productivity. After making any changes, be sure to save your updates if required. Then review the settings page one final time to confirm that everything has been updated correctly. It's also a good practice to revisit your settings periodically, especially after major account changes or when new features become available. And that's how to manage DocHub settings. By regularly reviewing and updating your account preferences, you can keep your workspace secure, organized, and tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.